Hello friends, today we will discuss key central bank monetary policy instruments along with their current rates as of mid-June 2025. Common monetary policy instruments. First is base rate policy, base rate or repo rate. Definition of repo rate is such rate at which central bank lends short-term funds to commercial banks, typically against collateral. Its purpose is to influence liquidity and credit conditions. Higher rate to tight the money, lower rate to ease the money. Current level of repo rate, RBI repo rate is 5.5%, which has been cut from 6% on June 6, 2025. Second is reverse repo rate. It is also called deposit rate. Rate at which central banks absorb liquidity by borrowing from banks. India's reverse repo rate is 3.35% at present. MSF, that is called marginal standing facility, or bank rate or discount rate. Penal rate used for overnight loans to banks, often without collateral. This loan is given without any collateral for overnight loans to banks. MSF or bank rate is at present 5.75%. Then comes liquidity adjustment facility, that is LAF. It includes repo and reverse repo operations for daily liquidity management. Its function is repo injects liquidity, reverse repo withdraws it. And collateral for this facility is government securities. Then comes reserve requirement, which includes CRR plus SLR. CRR is known as cash reserve ratio. It is the percentage of deposits bank must hold as cash with the central bank. India's CRR is reduced by 100 bps to 3% in current cycle. Statutory liquidity ratio is the percentage of deposits banks must hold in liquid assets, for example, in the form of government bonds. It is at present 18%. Open market operations. Central banks buys and sells government securities to influence liquidity. It helps to keep market rates close to policy rates. Standing deposit facility, that is known as SDF. It absorbs excess liquidity set at 25 bps below the policy repo. Rate is 5.25%. So, rates are revised after 6 months or quarterly as per requirement of RBI. Policy rate changes, immediate cost changes for lending, borrowing among banks. LAF, that is repo and reverse repo, fine-tunes daily liquidity to keep overnight market rates aligned. Reserve ratio, that is CRR and SLR, set broader banking sector liquidity levels. OMO, open market operations, thumbs on the liquidity tap, adjusting supply via government bonds. Penalty or emergency lending, that is MSF or discount, backstop for banks in tight situations. RBI slashed repo by 50 bps to 5.5%, trimmed CRR by 100 bps to boost the growth amidst easing inflation.